my dear students. Hope you are all fine and I hope that you could understood all the previous videos of ray optics. Today we are going to discuss about thin lens. So far we have discussed about the mirrors, the mirror equation, the lateral magnification in the mirror. So many things we have discussed, right? So now we are going to discuss about lens. Okay. So what is meant by lens? So lens is lens is having two surfaces. Okay. So both the surfaces may be spherical or one surface is plane or the other may be spherical. Okay. The lens is in such a way that both these surfaces may be spherical or one surface is plane and the other surface may be spherical. Okay. Then the distance between these two surfaces is very small. Okay. In case of lens, the distance between these two surfaces is very small. So since it have two surfaces, it will be having two center of curvature. Okay, if we take this one, it will be having certain center of curvature. On this side, it will be having certain center of curvature. So two center of curvatures are there. So if two center of curvatures are there, two radius will be there. Okay. So this is all about, not all about lens, it's a small intro about the lens. Okay. Now let us discuss one by one. Okay. First we are going to discuss about the focus point of these lens. Okay, if it is a two-sided spherical lens, what will be the focal, what are the focus points we are having? Okay, that we can discuss it one by one. So in case of lens, there are two, we are going to study about two focus point. Okay, one is the primary focus and one is the secondary focus. Okay, let us see what is primary focus and what is secondary focus. Okay, now let us see about the primary focus. So this is a concave lens and this is a convex lens. Okay, this is concave lens and this one is a convex lens. Okay, so let us see. Sorry, this is convex lens and this is concave lens. Okay, so suppose if the rays are coming here. Okay, rays are coming like this. After getting refracted, since it is getting from air medium to glass medium, we know that it will be getting refracted. So after getting refracted, it is, see what is happening. It is emerging parallel towards the principal axis to parallel, it is coming out. Okay. So when we see, suppose if you take this point here, this is the focus point, right? So if this is the focus point, it is going parallel. Suppose if you are taking the focus point here, what may happen? It may go like this. Okay, it may refracted like this, and if it is the focus point, it may get refracted like this. Similarly, if this is the focus point, there may be variation in the path. Okay, அதாவது இந்த பாயிண்ட்ல ஃபோக்கஸா நம்ம எடுக்கும்போது, if this is the focus point, நமக்கு கரெக்டா parallel கிடைக்காது. So எந்த பாயிண்ட்ல ஃபோக்கஸ் ஆனா உனக்கு அவுட்புட்ல parallel வருதோ, rays parallel வருதோ, that focus point we are calling it as primary focus point. Clear? So in which focus point the refracted rays are emerging parallel to the principal axis, we are calling that as primary focus point. So this is in case of convex lens. When you take a concave lens, we know that it is a diverging lens. Okay. So this is the ray of light. Okay. So these rays are not coming from a particular point. Okay. These light rays are not coming from a particular point, but they are directed toward a particular, that is directed toward a single point. Okay. இந்த rays எல்லாமே நீங்க அதோட actual path எடுத்துக்கிட்டீங்க அப்படினா எங்க direct ஆகும்னா it is at a same point. Okay, from a single point. So here also the refracted ray is parallel to the principal axis. அதாவது ray வந்து ஒரே பாயிண்ட்ல இருந்து வராட்டியும் அதை டைரக்ட் பண்ணிட்டு அதோட டைரக்ஷன் வந்து அது வந்து எங்க போய் சேருது அப்படினா அதை டைரக்ட் பண்ணி எடுத்தோம்னா அது it will meet a common single point. Okay, so such a type of ray எந்த பாயிண்ட்ல focus பண்ணா, அதாவது இந்த ray, suppose if you take some rays over here, okay, it may not be focused at a single point. இந்த பாயிண்ட்ல அது focus ஆகனாலும் அது வந்து இப்படி போயிருந்திருக்கலாம். புரியுதா? ரிஃப்ராக்டட் ரே உனக்கு parallel ஆகாம இருந்திருக்கலாம். So such a rays are not such a point, இந்த பாயிண்ட்ல இருந்து வரது. So இந்த focus I am not taking as a focus point னு எடுக்க முடியாது. ஏன்னா because it is not emerging parallel. Clear? So at what point of focus the rays are emerging parallel to the principal axis, that we are calling it as primary focus. Okay, see the point where a point source kept எந்த பாயிண்ட்ல அந்த பாயிண்ட் சோர்ஸை வச்சிருக்கோம், நம்ம சோர்ஸை வச்சிருக்கோம், அது provide parallel emergent ray. அதனால நமக்கு parallel emergent ray, emergentனா வெளியில வர ray, parallel emergent ray to the principal axis, which is always parallel to the principal axis after passing through the lens. We are calling that point as the primary focus. So we know that the distance from this point to the pole is called as the focal length, right? The distance from this point to the tripole to this point is called as the focal length. Okay, so here we can see that the focal length இந்த இடத்துல இருந்து இங்க எடுக்கிறதும் இங்க இருந்து இங்க எடுக்கிறதும் it will be same. The focal length is same. Okay, either the convexல focal length is here, concave the focal length is here, but the distance will be same. Okay, அது parallel வரணும்னா the focal length is just same for both the types. So when you take the secondary focus, what is meant by secondary focus? Here we can see the parallel rays are not coming from a single point, okay, but the rays are parallel to the principal axis. So what happens after getting refracted in the glass medium, they are focusing at a single point, common point. So that is called as secondary focus. எந்த focus pointல அதாவது parallel rays கொடுத்தா எந்த இடத்துல அது ரெண்டுமே வந்து meet ஆகுதோ, the ரெண்டு not only two rays, we are taking just two rays, okay, where all the rays are getting concentrated at a single point, that point we are calling it as focus point. Similarly, in case of concave lens, when we take this, we are taking as a parallel lens. So the difference between these two lenses, here after getting refracted, it is meeting at a common point. But here after getting refracted, it is diverging. But it appears to meet at a single point. When you extend this lens, it appears, if I see it from here, it appears, the focus point will appear here, okay. So it appears to meet at a single point. Actually it is diverging, but it appears to meet at the same point. So such a focus point is called a secondary focus, okay. If you are giving the rays and all the rays are emerging parallel to the principal axis, when what point we have given the source, that point we have called it as primary focus. எந்த பாயிண்ட்ல இருந்து கொடுத்தா parallel rays வெளியே போகுமோ அது வந்து primary focus, okay. எந்த பாயிண்ட்ல எப்படி parallel கொடுத்தா எந்த பாயிண்ட்ல மீட் ஆகுமோ அது வந்து secondary focus. In case of concave, it does not meet at the same point but appears to meet, okay. So I told you already primary focus for convex lens, okay. Primary focus for the convex lens. So when we see the primary focus for the convex lens, it will be like this, okay. So this length, actually I told you that this length and this length will be equal. It's not right. So this is primary focus and this is this is secondary focus and this is primary focus. So when you measure these 2 points, it will be always equal. So keep it in mind, primary focus point and the secondary focus point length will be equal. Similarly, if you take the concave lens, okay, if you take a concave lens, it will also be like that only, okay. So it will be also emerging parallel like this. So the lens it will be emerging parallel but it appears to meet at this point, okay. So this is the primary focus point. The primary focus. Now we are going to see the sign conventions of the focal length of the lens, okay. So already we have discussed the sign convention in spherical mirror, okay. So the sign convention for the lens is also similar to the spherical mirror. So what the only difference is in case of focal length, okay. So for the sign convention, when we take the convex lens, the focal length we are taking should be positive, okay. That means if you take the convex lens, the focal length, you are measuring a focal length, right? It is not based on right side or left side of the pole, okay. நம்ம இதுவரைக்கும் பார்த்தது எல்லாமே pole ல இருந்து left side னா என்ன, right னா என்ன, மேல என்ன, கீழ என்ன. It is not like that. So in case of convex lens or converging lens, the focal length should be taken as positive, okay. Similarly, in case of concave lens, the focal length should be taken as negative, okay, or diverging lens. It should be taken as positive and it should be taken as negative for concave lens, okay. All other sign conventions are similar to the spherical mirror. Hope you could understood about the focus, primary focus, secondary focus, and how to measure the focal length, that is sign conventions. Thank you for watching.